Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth with an instant pot using an easy method. Making nourishing bone broth at home is simpler than you might think, especially with the help of a pressure cooker. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final straining and storage. This method saves you hours compared to stovetop simmering, delivering a rich, flavorful broth in a fraction of the time. Let's get started on this wholesome journey. For our delicious bone broth, you'll need about 3 to 4 pounds of bones. Beef knuckle bones, chicken carcasses, or a mix work wonderfully. Next, prepare your aromatics: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. Don't forget 2 bay leaves, about 10 whole black peppercorns, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones, making your broth even more nutritious. These simple ingredients create a robust flavor base. Once your ingredients are in the Instant Pot, pour in 8 to 10 cups of filtered water, ensuring everything is submerged. Do not fill past the maximum fill line. Secure the lid, making sure the sealing ring is properly in place, and turn the steam release handle to the sealing position. Select the manual or pressure cook setting on high pressure. For a deeply flavorful broth, cook for at least 2 hours or even up to 4 hours for maximum extraction. The longer, the richer. After cooking, let the Instant Pot naturally release pressure for about 15 minutes. This helps settle the contents and prevents a messy steam release. Then, carefully turn the steam release handle to venting to release any remaining pressure. Once safe to open, remove the lid and carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a large bowl. Discard the solids. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.